Shen was born in Jiangxi, China, in 1973. After completing his studies at Guangzhou Art School, in 1993 he enrolled in Guangzhou Academy of Fine Arts. He graduated with full marks in 1998. Shen immediately showed himself to own talent, great technique, and a strong desire to create a new medium of artistic expression by fusing Oriental traditions with the teachings of distinguished 19th-century artists from America and Europe. He captures viewers in a magnetic collision of lighting, optical illusions, and elegant brushstrokes. Magical floral atmospheres, where color and three-dimensionality constantly guide viewers through a vortex of visions and emotions.